night with Dave Outdoors and Shropshire Lad. Like and subscribe.
Thanks for that. Morning all. Well, this is a day of two halves. Today's the hike. And we're out with Dave Outdoors and we have a special guest.
Hi guys.
Beaver.com. So we're doing about 12 miles around the Shropshire Hills. I know we've done them before, but there's always something new to see. Spot a lunch. Finish back at Plush Hill where we started earlier. And then tonight we're going to drive round to Cardington. And we're going to walk over to Cardington and hike up to Caer Caradoc, and we've got all the kit for a wild camp. So that's what we're doing, and we'll take you along for the ride. Public footpath, walking with offer. Don't fall in, Dave, that wouldn't be funny. This, guys, is Brow Farm. And we used to use this for DV groups, and I think it still is used for a lot of DV groups. A little stream down in here, and I can remember in the High Life van, and we were going in that forest and getting firewood and having a big bonfire down here. But there you go, it's come on a bit. It's got glamping pods, bit of furniture. So yeah, I reckon we could bring the love bus down here. Right, I've got a shout out to do. So this is for you, Jake, and you, Quinn. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I know you watch. Right, I've got a challenge for you, lads. It's summer holidays now, so you broke up from school, so you've got 6 weeks to get this done. You want to get on that train up to Church Stretton. Jake, I know you've got all the experience because you've done your DV. Quinn, just do what Jake says. And hike up to Caer Caradoc, where we're going tonight, and do a wild camp. So if you want to borrow any kit, just message me or Lexi and we'll lend you all the stuff. And I want to see video evidence or a picture of you guys on the top in your bivvy bags or your tent or whatever. So there you go, there's your summer challenge from Shropshire Lad. So I shall look forward to seeing the result. Good luck. Here we are at the bridges, put the name over there. We're always civilised, we've all just had coffee. Dave's still sobering up. But we've had a prawn baguette and a few chips, and then we're cracking on in a bit. So this is how to do wild camping, Jake. It's not as gnarly as you think. Right, we're back out on the trail. Had a lovely little lunch stop, an early lunch in the pub, and we're back working our way up onto the Min now. I am unnecessarily carrying all the camping kit today, just as a bit of a practice run. So it's going all right actually. Should have left it all in the car really and just brought a bottle of squash and a Kit Kat. It's all good practice. Beaver still here?
Hello.
Hasn't broke into a run yet, but we're holding him back. I've got one of them leashes on him. He's like a coiled spring, he is. He's raring to go. Well, we broke the back of that. We're up on the top of the plateau of the Long Min now, and this has been a much more steady route up, like a nice gravel track, not steep. We're all coping very well. And, have a look. They say the best view's the one behind you. And there it is. So we're nearly at Shooting Box, which is like a little thing marked on a map, like a little tump. And we're going to go from there and just wander up to the Trig Point and Pole Bank. We're going to have coffee chocolate up there, and then we're probably about an hour from the car then, if that. It's a nice steady walk across the top. So it's been a rather pleasant day. We've talked about all sorts of things, haven't we? Culture, arts, education, politics, all of that sort of stuff we've covered.
Put the world to rights.
There's more of these money pits, look. Look at all the money falling off them. That's not the trig. That's the one you gotta do. That's the tourist one. We've had a little brew stop at Pole Bank, and we're on the last bit now. We're on Motts Road, which is also the Shropshire Way, which is also the Jack Mitten Way, and I'm sure it's a couple of other ways, which is the lovely bit right across the plateau of the Long Min. And we're heading sort of back towards the car now, and then it's going to be part 2 of the day when we end up over. Can we see it? Can't see it now. It's behind those tumps. Caer Caradoc. So yeah, it's been rather pleasant. Nothing too strenuous. Nice weather. Good company, mostly. Yeah. Heading back down over there yonder, so we're leaving the Long Min behind, but over there behind Dave is Caer Caradoc, so that's where we're heading up. So I'll do that on a separate video, because I'm going to show you me cooking talents that I've picked up from YouTube, so that'll be a different video. And yeah, we've had a lovely little walk, saved a bit of energy left for the walk up there, which be fun later. And yes, this is still technically part of my 50th birthday celebrations, so we're going to have a lager shandy each in the pub. I can't have more than one, Dave, I'll be a mess. So we'll do that and then get up the top, so we'll see you later. Right, that's the end of that hike, so thank you very much for watching. We all enjoyed that, hope you did too. And we're moving on to the second part of the day now. So the next plan is we've just arrived at Cardington. We're just stocking up the bags with water and checking we've got everything for the night. We're just going to go and have a cheeky pint in the pub. It is 20 to 5, and then we're going to walk from here up to Caer Caradoc. We've probably told you about 10 times already. But yeah, so we'll be taking you along on the journey for that. Okay, see you in a bit.